Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account user ID of Bremer Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a bremerbank.com and press enter. Here at the official webpage of Bremer Bank, you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You click on it. Now then, you need to click on the login option. As we are going to recover our user ID, you need to click on the link given below, that is forgot your user ID. Now here, first of all, you need to verify your information. For that, you need to provide the following details. You go in for selecting your account type by clicking on drop down menu. Now here you need to go in for is this a business or what. You just click on the drop down menu. You can go in for either yes or you can go in for either no. Then you go in for typing your account number. Here you need to enter your last end balance of your statement. Then you go in for providing your first name that is associated with this account. Last name. Now at the very last you go in for providing your social security number. You enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. After you provide all the details, you need to click on continue where you will redirect it to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to retrieve your user ID. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online banking account ID of your Bremer Bank. Thank you.